Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on use application comments on your role settings on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. First click here and now click settings, now click roles, now click here and click permissions. Here as you see you will find use application comments. Click on it like this, and after this click save and it should be saved. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.